Good morning. We're breakfast. We are in Hangzhou and we're going to be going to Shanghai today. And I'm not feeling very well, but that's okay. Because adventures are sometimes about being uncomfortable. They make all the tea.
We're in tea country. Way better than S country.
Haha. Building. I think it's second tallest in the whole world. That's what Keaton says.
I swear it's true.
Wow. And we're here right next to it. Welcome to hotel number 5. We are in Shanghai. Here's the bathroom. There's these buttons. Like this one says tube. Oh. I guess that is a tube. Turning on. Want to turn on the mirror lights? Ready? Mirror. Wow, that's cool. We're going to Disneyland Shanghai tomorrow. Woo, woo, woo.
Come on.
Come on, Pearl. Light up.
Light up. Light up. Light up.
Buildings are lit up.
Come on. They're all doing it. You can too. Peer pressure.
Should we count down? 5,
4,
3,
2, 1, 0. Almost.